Yo, what's good, man? Here at the Men's Fellowship. Yo, you got the fellowship. If you don't fellowship, I don't know what to tell you. Fellowship is awesome. You got to be part of the body. You got the fellowship, be part of the body. You feel me? So that's what I'm doing right now, being part of the body. You got to be a witness. You got to be an example. So that's what I'm doing. Trust me. I did not want to get up today, but I had to do it. I had to be obedient to the Spirit. And this brother over here, he's the Lord, but he's gonna be all right. We're gonna pray for him soon. On the next episode, we're gonna be laying hands on that brother. So look out for that. Yes, sir. So who say gospel rappers can't have their own reality show? We have our own reality show. See,
because it really is real.
Yeah, it's real. The word is real. Jesus is real.
Jesus is real.
Yeah, stop. Yeah, he is real. Stop fronting. Jesus. You might not like it, but you got to accept it.
Yeah.
And you might not want to accept it, but you got to get collected.
Who cares if this is like the I'm About It video?
So your soul could get perfected.
Right.
So, next God channel, next God time. It's all good. So, make sure you keep looking out for that. Life for Chosen. It's good. Peace.